especially like here's the tricky part. Like welding around a circle is really hard thing to do.
Send them
You
in
know,
the ocean, bottom of the ocean now.
it as a robot, it just done, bro, done. Consistent underwater jobs. That's a crazy job. Underwater welding, they make
Yep.
money, bro.
Still scary as hell though.
Sure is.
Other crazy one is Apple and Google, their partnership. I know we already kind of talked about this, but here's my question. Are they going well, Roberto's not even here for this one. I was gonna say, are they gonna make us buy the new iPhone just to get all these new features, or are they just gonna put it in the iPhone upgrade? Because you know how they dropped that laptop with M1 and they're like, there's no AI unless you buy a new laptop. Are they gonna do that with the next iPhone if it's really that advanced to force
Well,
you
you
to
can't.
upgrade?
Well, you can't upgrade. It's in the hardware, isn't it?
What do you mean? Oh yeah, yeah.
Well,
That's what I'm saying. Is you have to buy the new product to have access to it. Roberto, did you hear that? Did you hear us? You over here giving kisses away again? I had to get up to kiss my wife.
by the way, I have the record for not leaving my camera once.
Shit, I did it today for the first time. Roberto, I was saying, do you think the new iPhone with the new AI, they're gonna make us purchase it to upgrade, or is it gonna be in the next downloadable update?
This is something you can do also in an old iPhone. You can add the AI very easy. But if there are chips that make better model run, why not? Depends on the
Right.
person.
Right.
I think the new operating system are gonna come out with AI embedded in, not to the level of Her the movie, but there's gonna be more and more things that use local models just to do better stuff.